Let's not worry about camera gear for a second. You don't need a new lens or a fancy camera to take better photos. The real secret: move your feet and change your angle. If you master this two-step habit, your composition, your storytelling, and your confidence will improve instantly. This channel is all about helping beginner and intermediate photographers shoot with confidence without getting lost in too much technical detail. And here's a quick truth: the difference between a boring shot and a great photo, it's often just a few steps forward or a different point of view. And if this is something you're into, after the video, why not download my ebook? It's packed with information to help you with the essentials and totally free when you sign up for my monthly newsletter. The link is down there in the description for you. In this video, I'll show you why eye level is overrated, how to move with purpose, the power of low, high, and close-up angles, and how this works even on your phone. And you might want to stick around. There's a fun mini challenge at the end to help you put this into practice straight away. Most people shoot from one spot, standing straight, camera at eye level. Why? Because it's easy, it's a habit, but it's boring. It's how we see the world, but not necessarily how we should photograph it. Step one is simple: move your feet. If you want a stronger composition, take a step or two closer. If you want layers in your shot, step to the side. If you're trying to remove distractions, change your angle until they're out of shot. Your position changes everything: framing, depth, light, emotion. Think of it like staging a scene in a movie. Would you just plant the camera and hope for the best? Of course not. Step two, change your angle. Go low. Get down to ground level. Suddenly the world looks different. Go high. Stand on a bench or hold your phone above your head. Now you've got a top-down graphic look. Tilt or angle your frame for leading lines or drama. Shoot a flower from above, then low and close. Take a portrait from eye level, then from below with the sky as a backdrop. With a city scene, crouch to bring in reflections or lines. Angles add story, they add energy, and they force your viewer to see something new. And this isn't just a DSLR or mirrorless camera trick. In fact, it can be done just as easily on your phone. So the best camera? The one you have with you and the one you move with purpose. Okay, before we wrap up, here's a quick bonus tip that ties everything together. When you combine movement, angles, and intentional framing, don't be afraid to crop after the fact. Cropping is like a final polish, whether you're on a DSLR or your iPhone. It lets you refine the story you captured in a moment and eliminate any leftover distractions. So don't treat cropping like a cheat. It's simply another creative vision. So you could say, shoot with purpose, then finish with intention. So that's the two steps. Move your feet, change your angle, and that's it. No new gear, no settings, just a new way of seeing. This will make you more creative, more engaged, and more confident because you're not relying on luck or tech, you're taking control of the frame. Don't forget to grab the ebook below. It'll help you with the essential pillars of photography. Hit like if this helped you rethink your approach. Subscribe for more tips and techniques to build your photography confidence, one step at a time. And maybe watch this one next. And how about a mini challenge? Take one photo from your usual eye level, then take the same photo from two different angles. Post the best one and tag me in the comments. I'd love to see your work. Thanks for watching, take care, and I'll see you in the next one.